I want to eat too, guys.
Calorie wise.
Some facts about potatoes. First civilizations that cultivated potatoes were the Incas about 8000 BC. Potatoes came to Europe around 1536 with the Spanish conquistadors. Marie Antoinette wore potato blossoms in her hair. Mini potatoes are just simple potatoes that have harvested before they fully matured. Potato is the fourth most important crop worldwide. And finally, a medium-baked potato is naturally fat-free and gluten-free. So for today we have $9 for the chicken, $1 for the potato, $2 for the basil, and $2 for various ingredients. That brings it down to $350 per portion. It gives us 4 portions.